child with autism who's already having visual challenges of focusing, keeping the focus on what they are doing, a regular calendar as such to learn the days and the dates. It's very difficult to focus and say today is 1st of October and Thursday, October month and the year. To teach a child their calendar in a regular format, it's becomes very difficult. To break down this task, we have made a teaching learning material. This is the calendar which has been customized. Where the child, it's very easy when the teacher teaches the day. The child has to put the day, the date, the month, the weather and the year. It becomes very in a simple way where the child is able to focus exactly on what they are learning. Say today's day is Thursday. So the child is asked to read and picks up the date Thursday and keeps it on the day. So there is a very clear where the day is Thursday and the date. What is the date? Date is 1st. It is the 1st of October. So 1 is placed here on the date. And the month. Month is October. So there is October. The child sequences picks up from the sequence October and places it in the month. And then the year. Year is 2020. So the child places the 20 here and the 0 over here. So the year is done. And how's the weather? The child is asked to look at the window and see how's the weather outside. If it's a rainy day or a sunny day or a cloudy day or a windy day. The weather is a sunny day today. So the child picks up the weather which is sunny and keeps it in the weather section. So in very clear terms, the child gets to learn the calendar on a very everyday basis. This is a very good learning which reinforces again and again the concept of numbers, reading of days and reading of months. This is an excellent teaching material for teaching calendar.
Break-Free Solutions brought to you by EI Labs and Project Discovery. Partnered by Enable India, Trinayani Sethi Foundation, Allegis Easy, CII Young Indians and Young Indians Accessibility.